So the next question is from Mr. Rahul Vinay Kumar Abad. He says, I had made a STP from your liquid fund to your long-term equity fund. On pursuing the returns, I have found that compared to other liquid funds, the return on your liquid fund is on the lower side. Why so? I think with such good performance in both the long-term equity and the tax-saving funds, the liquid fund can also give higher returns without taking a higher risk, or at least returns comparable to the sector returns. Thank you. Raj, do you want to take up this question?
Yeah, so we have said this since the NFO happened for the liquid fund. We have communicated it very well that the liquid fund that we are launching will majorly be investing in sovereign rated securities. And if you look at the other liquid funds, they primarily invest in commercial papers and certificate of deposits, which are better yielding instruments than the sovereign rated securities. So we have always communicated it to the investors that we will not be taking a risk in our liquid fund, and it's primarily for switches and STPs to our equity fund. So we'll stick to it, and we have also said that we will always be in the last quartile in terms of the liquid fund category, and we maintain that for the future.
So if someone has less than 5 lakh of balance, and if they are banking with a new age private bank which gives, let's say, 5% return on savings account or something, it may make sense not to put money in the liquid fund at all. It may be financially better to keep money in the saving account and do a SIP instead of putting money in the liquid fund and doing STP. Given that the overnight money rate and treasury bill rates right now are in the region of 3.75, I don't think liquid funds are going to give any phenomenal return. It's just that if you are a corporate and if you are keeping money in a current account, liquid fund is definitely better than a current account. So that is one scenario. Also, if you have a very large sum of money where RBI deposit insurance is only 5 lakh of rupees, and we have seen people in, for example, Punjab and Maharashtra Cooperative Bank getting stuck, or there was a moratorium on Yes Bank depositors. So those kind of risks are there. If you want to stay away from that, you can put money in the liquid fund. But we are not definitely competing on the returns part. It's primarily a facilitator, and most likely it will give lower returns than the category.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.